Hi my beautiful people, today we are making akara. You see in every Nigerian city, at the break of dawn, the smell of sizzling akara rises from roadside pans like a hymn to survival. Today, as I show you how to make this beloved bean cake, let me tell you the story of a woman whose humble akara stand transformed the future of her entire family. Her name was Madam Grace. In the sleepy streets of Ibadan, she rose at 4 a.m., washed her brown beans under a flickering bulb, and whispered a prayer over every handful. She wasn't just cooking food, she was cooking hope. Akara wasn't glamorous, it was simple. Beans, onions, peppers, salt, oil, that's just it. Yet, in Madam Grace's hand, it became gold. Every Saturday morning, children in uniforms and workers on the move lined up by her stand, drawn by the aroma of golden bean cakes. Madam Grace learned early that consistency wins heart. While other vendors opened late, she was always ready before sunrise. She used clean oil, beat the batter till it was light, and fried in small batches to keep it crisp. Her customers noticed. Soon she became the akara woman of the street. Her little table, a stool, and one pot turned into a landmark. Her secret? Respect for the food and respect for her customers. She had 4 children. School fees loomed like mountains. Her husband had passed early and relatives doubted she could manage alone. But every spoonful of butter she dropped into the hot oil was an act of defiance. In the oil's hiss, she heard her children's names. In the rising of akara, she saw their future rise. She taught them to help after school. One will peel the beans, another will serve customers, the youngest will wash the plate. Together, they built a system. Week after week, month after month, Madam Grace saved a little. She opened a small savings account at the microfinance bank. She denied herself new clothes, but never compromised on her oil or ingredients. Years rolled by, first child into the polytechnic, second into the university, and third into another university. Each admission letter smelled of beans and oil, carrying her fingerprints of sacrifice. At first, her neighbor mocked her. How can bean cake send children to the university? But by the time her child graduated, people brought their own daughters to learn from her. As I fry this akara today, I'm reminded of Madam Grace and thousands like her across Nigeria. This food is not just a snack, it's a lifeline, a ladder, a legacy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless you and I love you. Bye guys.